A heated debate has started in the United States. A House Judiciary Subcommittee recently held a hearing with a strong title. It was called the Sharia-Free America. Talked about why political Islam and Sharia law are incompatible with the US Constitution. Hi, this is Navya Bal and you're watching TimesXP. Let us first understand what it's all about. A group in the US Congress called the House Judiciary Subcommittee on the Constitution and Limited Government held a hearing. Well, this was a meeting where lawmakers listened to experts and discussed about the important topics. The title of this hearing was very strong. It was called Sharia-Free America. Why political Islam and Sharia law are incompatible. Again, I'm saying that. The hearing was led by Congressman Chip Roy from Texas. He and some other lawmakers said that they are worried about something that they called the political Islam. They argued that Sharia law should never influence American law. For those who don't know, Sharia is a system of religious guidance followed by many Muslims. It is based on Islamic teachings. For many people, it guides public, personal life, such as prayer, charity, marriages, and daily behavior. But there is an important point about it. In the United States, the Constitution is the highest law. No religious rule can actually replace it, and American courts must follow the Constitution first. So, another question is, why this debate is happening? Well, during the first hearing, some witnesses said that certain groups want a mixed religion with politics judiciary. They claimed that if religious law becomes part of government decisions, it could actually conflict with American rights. They spoke about freedom. They spoke about freedom of speech, equal treatment, and rights of women in minorities. They also argued that these rights must always come first. One speaker made a very strong claim. He said some people want to weaken America by pushing religious law over the constitutional law. That statement created headlines. But the story does not end there. Many Muslim Americans and civil rights groups responded to it. They said Sharia, for most Muslims in America, is about the personal faith. It does not replace the US law. They also said that Constitution is already protects freedom of the religion. That means people can follow their faiths while still obeying the American law. Well, legal experts also explained something very important. In US courts, foreign or religious laws cannot override the Constitution. Judges are bound by the American law, only by American law. Yes. So, some people believe that this hearing was about the national security and protecting the constitutional values, while others believe that it may create a fear and misunderstanding for the Muslim communities. So, let us also understand what a congressional hearing can and cannot do. A hearing does not automatically create a new law. It is mainly for the discussion. Lawmakers ask questions, experts give opinions, and sometimes these talks lead to bills, and sometimes they do not. Okay? This hearing reflects a larger debate in America. It touches on religion, politics, immigration, and identity. And these are sensitive topics for us. The United States was built on the idea of religious freedom. People from different faiths live there, and the Constitution says that government cannot favor one religion over other. It also says people are free to practice their own beliefs, and at the same time, the Constitution remains unbiased and the final authority in the legal matters. So, what is the main takeaway from this video? Well, the debate is about whether any religious political movement could challenge the constitutional values or not. Supporters of the hearing say that they are being careful and protective, and critics say that system is already strong and does not need alarm. Right now, no new law has been passed from this hearing. It was just a discussion, but discussions can shape public opinions. And the bigger question now is, how country balances religious freedom with constitutional law? This is not just an American issue. Many nations face a similar debate. And for now, US Constitution remains the supreme law of the land, and any legal decision must follow it. The story shows how democracy works. Lawmakers debate, experts disagree, and citizens react to it. And conversations continue.